You have seen it. A young founder walks into Shark Tank India, pitch $1 million idea and raised 1 crore rupees in funding. We clap, we cheers and we dream. But here's the harsh truth. Most of them will fail. Because the real reason Indian startup fails has nothing to do with funding and everything to do with flawed thinking. Today I will tell you what no one else will. Not the sharks, not the startup mentor and not even your MBA professors. 90% of Indian startup fails within the first 5 years. And if you are planning to build the next unicorn, this video could literally save your life savings. Let's start with what most people think is the biggest problem is funding. We have been sold a fantasy that all you need is money and everything else will fall into place. But here's the shocking stats. Over 75% of funded startups fail. Yes, even after raising crores in funding, they still die. The reason? Because they never had product market fit. They raised money to scale a bad idea faster. That's like pouring petrol on a burning house. So, if funding is not the answer, what is? Let's take a real example. Flipkart was once the poster child of Indian startup success, but most people forget. Flipkart did not win India. Amazon came in, took over. Why? Because Flipkart focused on valuation and Amazon focused on value. Flipkart burned 2000 crore rupees on discount, hoping to buy users. They confused growth with product market fit. And today, Flipkart is owned by Walmart. Founders cashed out, but the dream is dead. Now let's look at the opposite. A startup that nailed product market fit without big funding. No funding, no flashy ads, no Shark Tank. And yet, Zerodha becomes India's largest stockbroker. But why did they succeed? Because they solve a real problem, which is high brokerage fees for middle class investors. They focused on retention over execution, word of mouth over marketing. They did not build for the BC's headlines, they build for the users. So what is the actual formula? Now, we entering the core of this video, the mindset that builds real companies. Instead of copying what others are doing, ask yourself, what is the fundamental problem? What do users hate today and what do they wish existed? This is how Elon Musk built rockets, and it's how Indian founders can build billion-dollar companies without burning billions. So why don't most founders think like this? Because the Shark Tank is not designed to build real businesses. It's designed for drama, for TRPs, for emotional stories. And what you see on the TV is only the pitch, not the pain that comes after. In fact, over 50% of deals in Shark Tank India did not even get executed after the show. The handshake you see often just for the cameras. So what is the real playbook for startup success? We glorify unicorns, but we ignore the graveyard. What is the thing that kills a startup? Not lack of funding, they had crores. It was flawed assumptions. Building before validating. Lido raised 200 crore rupees but has no real demand. Housing burned thousands of crores on branding without user love. So here is your startup survival formula, write it down. 1. Start with the problem, not the idea. 2. Validate before you build. 3. Obsess over users' feedback, not just investors. 4. Use first principles thinking, break assumptions. 5. Focus on profitability from day one. And the last but most important, treat funding as the fuel of your business, not the food of your business. India does not need more startups, it needs more problem solvers. You don't need an MBA degree or a sharks or 1 crore rupees in funding. You only need the courage to think clearly and the patience to build slowly. This is the truth. And if this video helped you, share it with one person who want to build your own startup. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If this video hit you, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.